Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a web application that I developed which allows you to convert your PDF into images. It can be PNG or JPG. So it converts all the PDF document pages. So I've deployed this application on my website. I've also given the demo link. So please check the full description. So once you land on this web application, you basically select whichever PDF file that you want to select. So here you first of all select a PDF file, then all the pages will automatically get loaded. As you can see, you will get this notification, and right here you can select the output format PNG or JPG. And then here from the slider you can even control the quality of the images, scale factor, you can even control that as well. So then you click convert to images, and one by one the application will process all the pages of PDF, and then it will show one by one by page number. For every page we have a download button, so individually you can click this and download this page of the PDF to a image file. You can export this, so you can just see the quality of the page is successfully exported to an image file. So this application that I developed entirely in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I've given the link to purchase the source code. So once you purchase it, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive. This will be the index.html file you will get, and this is round about 500 lines of code. So it's very easy to open and deploy this as well. Simply open VS Code and directly open it in localhost. So now we are running it on localhost. It's very simple. Again, you repeat the process. You actually select a PDF file. So you will get this notification, click convert to images, and one by one using this progress bar. And it's a nice thing about this application. It's single page application which directly runs in the browser. No server side processing is involved. So it's really fast, easy to deploy as well. And for this we have used a third-party library which is open source, Mozilla PDF.js library, which is a really handy library. So if you just search here Mozilla PDF.js, so this is a PDF related library for JavaScript for browser. So this is their homepage. So we have used this library for this project. So as you can see, so I've given both the links. You can try out the demo before purchasing it. So you can even change the extension to JPG. Again, you click convert to images, and now instead of PNG we will have download JPG. So there is also a button here which allows you to export all the images in one go. So if you click this button, a zip file will be created. So automatically all the images will be downloaded one by one. So as you can see, so you can just click one button and it will export all the pages to an image file. So this is a really handy application, PDF to images generator and converter directly in browser.